2, 3, 4. Wait, no, wait, I think we missed one. Lift your shirt up. Let me see how many. 1,
2, 3, 4.
4. Nice. Taking a video?
Because you know what, Dad?
Walk,
I'll pretend it.
Can you go in there and see what Riley's doing?
That's a Jedi strut if I ever saw one.
Look, Mom.
Oh, thanks, Riley. I wasn't sure.
Hey, could you Jedi sashay over here? Come here.
Her.
Uh-oh, that one's ready to fall.
To do this one. It's gonna come out the bottom of your pants.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Hey, shake your leg. It'll come out the bottom.